Her kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hello there, welcome to my kitchen or welcome back. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I am so happy you could join me today. I've got a super quick drink video for you guys today. I didn't really plan on recording, and I thought, you know what? I've shared how I do my fatty lattes before, but it's summertime and it is hot. I mean, it is really hot out there. And right now I am in the mood for a nice, cold, chilled drink. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I make my iced fatty decaf lattes. Of course, you don't have to go for decaf, but this is how I do it. And this is a little bit different because this is my super speedy way where I'm not waiting for fresh coffee to be made. I will be using some instant coffee. Of course, you can go the traditional route with real coffee. Before I start showing you how I'm gonna make this, if you wouldn't mind going ahead and hitting that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. That really helps me to be able to reach more people. Let me show you how I make it. We'll come back for a taste test, and then you can make one for yourself. I've got a kettle of hot water already ready. Make sure you have one boiling before you start. I'm starting out with 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then you'll notice I have my egg white jar here. I like to keep an egg white jar for the fridge because I tend to use yolks a lot. So my egg whites are gonna go here. I'm gonna put my yolks in my pitcher with my ghee. If you notice my egg white jar, you'll notice I've got 2 tick marks on there to show me I've got 2 egg whites in there. Make sure if you're collecting egg whites in the fridge, you keep a tally of how many egg whites you have in your jar. Now I've got my salt here coming in like a wrecking ball, and I'm just gonna add a little sprinkle of salt. Get those egg whites out of the way, and then we are moving on to our decaf coffee crystals. Of course, if you like instant coffee and you want your caffeine, you don't have to go with decaf. Again, you could also brew a double strength cup of coffee. Make sure you go with a double strength, so I went with 2 teaspoons instead of 1, because once we pour this over ice, it's gonna get diluted a bit. Go ahead and get your immersion blender and start blending this up, and then add a little bit of your boiling water. Keep it moving, that's going to keep your eggs from scrambling. Go ahead and add a little bit more water. You just need 6 to 8 ounces. Finish blending that off with the immersion blender, and guess what? You're done. Go grab your favorite cup and fill it with ice. Pour it over ice and you can have your delicious iced fatty latte. All right, so that was very simple. I have got my fatty iced latte ready to go. Of course, if you prefer your coffee to be sweet, you could add a sweetener to it, allulose, stevia, monk fruit, something like that. Personally, for coffee drinks, I just like them to have a little pinch of salt to cut that bitter, and I'm good to go. This is delicious and creamy because of the egg yolks in it. I do not miss cream in my coffee at all, being able to blend up my egg yolks and my ghee in here like this. You can see it is a creamy color, just as if it had cream in it. Let's give it a taste. It is so good. This is my favorite go-to quick coffee on the go recipe, especially during the summertime when I'm gonna go run some errands and I just wanna take something on the go with me. This is what I grab. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick recipe today. If you are curious to see what I eat every day on a carnivore diet, you can follow me over on X or on Instagram. I post what I eat every single day. Feel free to poke around, say hey while you're over there. I'd love to hear what kind of summertime drinks you enjoy, being keto, carnivore, ketovore. What are your special go-to treats that you like to have during the summertime that keeps you cool? Let me know that in the comments. Can't wait to see you guys next week. Until then, bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.